Hey guys, Ali from ALTA Racks. How are you? Hey, we get enough questions on the stand height. You know, some people have not as high as the ceiling in their garage, so figured a video with some measurements would be helpful, I think. Let's start with the height. This is our mobile floor stand with the casters. You're looking at 5 inches of height. The casters are 2-inch casters, so if you remove the casters, you can actually bring this down another 2 inches, so that will give you about a rise. This is a lefty rack, as you can see. So the lefty does not protrude past it, but the regular racks will go past the stand, so the rack takes a little more space than the stand itself. Some of the most important measurements are from the floor, once the rack is plugged in, to the top of the horizontal bar. Top horizontal bar is 55 inches, and then it's 68 inches to the top of the basket. This is at the lowest setting of the main vertical, so you can raise this up another 3 inches, but this is at the lowest setting. Those numbers are the height based on that top horizontal and the basket. The stand itself, from the back of the stand, the furthest point out, you're looking at about 45 inches, and then the cross measurement about 42 inches right there, and then it has an angle. Note that the baskets will contact the wall prior to the stand being flush. This is so the weight of the rack is centered over in the right spot as far as where the center of gravity goes for these. That's basically the numbers you need if you have a low ceiling or anything like that, or you think you may not have enough room. Hopefully that answers most of your questions. If not, give us a call, send us an email, or shoot a text. Again, this is Ali from ALTA Racks. Greatly appreciate your business. Have a great day, y'all.